Oh, they have technical capabilities to manufacture nuclear weapons.
Let's
However,
go.
it has renounced them and pledged to only use its nuclear technology for peaceful purposes following the Treaty of...
Tlatelolco.
There you go. In 1960. Hey, thank you.
Yeah, I was like, you're not going to be able to say that fucking word. How do you say that?
Tlatelolco.
Are you close? Tlatelolco.
Tlatelolco?
Tlatelolco.
Tlatelolco.
Tlatelolco. There we go. There's another.
Can you do the fucking tongue roll shit too?
Damn, Mexican, son. I'm fluent in Spanish. Puedo hablar español completamente normal, güey, si quieres.
No, just do that. Yes, I can't do that. Can't do it.
It's a genetic thing, apparently. It's like you have to like be born with the ability to do that. Otherwise, you're just...
Dude,
what does it sound like? Try.
Huh?
Try it. What does it sound like? Just go... You just did it, bro.
Yeah, but I can't like do it like how you did. Are you doing? You're not doing it with your tongue, then. You're doing it with the back of your.
It's up here.
No, I'm not doing it up there.
Oh, that's why you.
I'm doing Chewbacca.
Oh. I thought that's what Chewbacca was.
Oh man,
are you doing it from your throat?
Chewbacca's like.
Are you doing it from your throat?
Yeah. Back there.
I thought you'd be tired of Wookiee noises after we watched the
damn
Star Wars
gargling.
So I could just fake it.
You had me fucking fooled. I was like, bro, you just did it. What the hell? Damn.
What is this? There is no real equivalent in English to the rolled R. That's what makes it so notoriously hard for native English speakers.
It is possible to learn this skill.
R sound. Despite this, it is possible to learn this skill. Being able to roll your R's isn't a genetic trait, like say being able to roll your tongue.
Damn, my guy just had to prove me wrong.
Probably still helps when you're
like, no,
like,
fuck it is
learning
not
it from
genetic.
age 2 or 3.
Fact check your bitch ass.
So what is just rolling your tongue then? Like what is it?
Rolling.
Oh, that's
I'm like bouncing it off the roof of my my mouth. Yeah.
Like, I can't just like. I can't.
I put my tongue on the roof of my mouth. Step 2, draw the circle. Step 3, draw the rest of the fucking owl. That's what this is like for me.
After this, you should make a how-to video,
an instructional video,
and then for that part, just be like, and then he's just like, and then you just have the camera go.
There's a saying in Spanish that like it's kind of like a tongue twister, but kids say it to like practice rolling their R's too. So if you can learn it, I'm gonna make you learn this shit, dog. Parangarico tirimiricuaro.
Okay.
Yeah, he says okay.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, parangarico, and that's like a good way to train rolling your R's. Parangarico tirimiricuaro. Parangarico tirimiricuaro.
One more time.
Parangarico.
Parangarico.
Now roll the R's. Parangarico.
See, I can't roll the fucking R's. That's why.
Say it again.
What did you say?
Parangarico.
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 You did good.
Parangarico.
And I'm trying too hard.
Yeah.
What I'm doing now.
No, you're doing it good. Say it again. What is it?
Parangarico.
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 Yeah.
Parangarico.
Parangarico.
What was the second part?
Tirimiricuaro.
What was the second part?
All right. It's
Parangarico.
All right, I give up. Throwing the towel.
Parangarico.
Parangarico.
Dude, you can roll your R.
Parangarico.
But I can't do what you were doing. Or you just go like,
Hey, what are we saying, by the way?
What?
What are we saying?
Yeah, what does that translate to?
It's a place, I think. No, it's not. I think it's a place. It's I forget exactly what it is. Okay. You want to try to type that, my guy? Huh? How about that? You're gonna fact check me? You're gonna type that?
All right, it's time to fact check.
Hey,
Parangarico.
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 Tirimiricuaro. No, yeah, I think it's,
what was the next part?
Tirimiricuaro.
No, how do you say that?
Tirimiricuaro.
No, what is it again?
Tirimiricuaro.
No, the other version.
Oh, Parangarico. Oh, Tirimiricuaro. Yeah. How to pronounce Parangarico? Tirimiricuaro. Parangarico. Tirimiricuaro. Parangarico Tirimiricuaro.
Damn.
Nuevo San Juan, Parangarico Tirimiricuaro.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so it's in the state.
And you still understand everything.
Nuevo San Juan, Parangarico.
You hear that? You hear?
Yeah, I heard that. I